Right guys, prior to our controlled shutdown with the installation energised, one of the things we should do is check for earth leakage currents and any divergent neutral conductor currents. Okay, so first thing we do is we check the circuit protected conductor leaving the main earthing terminal to see if we'll get any current circulating in that conductor. So we've got 1.65 milliamps flowing there. The reason we've got 1.65 milliamps flowing there, I've got a photocell and a wee electronic driver controlling one of my lights. Okay, obviously the more electronic equipment that we have, the more leakage current that we're going to have travelling down that protective conductor. Remember, more than 10 milliamps is considered high protective conductor current. Okay, so once we've checked that, now bearing in mind in a real installation we might have parallel paths within the installation, so that might not actually be a true value that we've got on the CPC, because again, as I said, it might be circulating in all of our earthing and bonding arrangements. So this installation here, you'll see we've got two main protected bonding conductors. It's going down to 0 milliamps on the main protected bonding conductors when I'm clamping them. The reason for that is, folks, these are just two pipes sitting on the board. Obviously, if they were introducing a local earth potential, there would be current flowing through them as well. Okay, and then when I check my earthing conductor, you'll see there I've got that same value that we had on the protective conductor. Okay, so we then go down through our controlled shutdown. You'll see there I've turned off, or I'm starting to turn off some circuit breakers up on the top board, and any second now we should see that current drop away. Okay, so it's dropped down into 0.1 of a milliamp. Okay, as I start to isolate the rest of the installation, probably shouldn't see much of a change in it. Still again around about 0.1 milliamps. This is current that's just circulating within our earthing arrangements within the installation external to this point. This is a standalone static board and there's no other parallel paths introduced. For the installation, as I said, what's happening there is we're getting some protected conductor currents passing through those sensitive electronics that are further downstream. Okay. Within the installation, obviously after we've done that, we're going to be moving on to our live working, so we'll get the board prepared for live working.